Hi everyone, Dr. Pannucci here. Yes, I'm using a bounce house to demonstrate principles of microvascular surgery, and I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. You can see that part of mine was spent with my boys creating this video. Thanks, boys, for lending me your bounce house for a bit. Someone reached out to me and asked, why are there purple dots on the vein in this picture of a microvascular anastomosis? And it's an important but subtle detail in microvascular surgery. In the operating room, I mark the orientation of the vein before I cut it in order to ensure that there are no twists or kinks. You can see in this split image, I'm modeling what does a normal vein hookup look like, the top, and what does a twisted one look like, the bottom. On the top, you can see that there's a straight line flow, there's no obstruction, and that it's easy for air, or blood in this analogy, to get out of the flap and into, for breast reconstruction, the internal mammary vein. But even a quarter twist in the vein, as shown below, will be pushed forward with the flow of blood until it reaches probably the edge of the rib. And at that point, that twist will solidify and obstruct further blood getting out of the vein. In that case, you end up with a congested flap, which is full of blood and likely a need to return to the operating room. Another great instance of subtlety in microvascular surgery. Hope this is helpful as you learn more about free flaps. Have a great day.